To kind of talk this 7 o'clock show about a special report I've got next week.
Yes, you have been working really hard. For folks at home that may not know, Matt is one of our hardest working reporters here, and you've been working really hard on a special piece.
Yeah, so it's set to air next Wednesday, and it's on a deeper topic. I know we like to be a little loose and fun on the morning show, and we will definitely be that way. But it's about mental health, and it's about suicide, and kind of breaking down that stigma, going past just the numbers of what we've seen in the nation and here in Central Illinois, but also providing resources for anyone who might be watching this at home. If you need resources, providing phone numbers, websites, places that you can go in person or be virtual, because of the pandemic. So we wanted to take that further step of not just reporting the numbers, reporting the information, but being proactive and offering help for anyone who needs it.
Yeah, it's so important. And a lot of times, unfortunately, we don't hear about these struggles until it's too late. And we know, you may know someone that you don't even know is struggling silently. And I think being able to bring these kind of conversations to light are so important, especially when we don't have much normalcy, especially
Right.
this year.
Yeah, I mean, I would be very surprised if, one person didn't know somebody who's struggling or themselves is struggling too. And we do tie in the pandemic with different impacts of what we're seeing locally, some different trends per se. We tie in social media, so we're really hitting a lot of these big factors that a lot of people have been talking about and seeing. So we've got about a week left for that to come together. I am excited for that to come out and to be able to hopefully help somebody and get that information out.
And that's the key. A lot of our work, like you said, we like to have fun, especially on the morning show. We like to bring you so much joy. So that is part of our hope for some of that solution, but to be able to expose what so many people in our community, even in Central Illinois, a lot of times people will say, oh, that couldn't happen in my backyard, or there's no way, or they're too happy to be having these sentiments.
Right.
And it sounds like you're really kind of unpacking that a little bit more. Can you give us any insight on to some of the people that you're talking with?
Absolutely. Yeah, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Dr. Ted Bender of Unity Place, Peoria Fire Chief Tony Artis, really just opening up and sharing his personal life with us, which as a leader of our community, that's just I just respect it so much. And also Peoria County Sheriff Brian Asbell also coming out and sharing his personal side. And Denise Backus, also from Unity Place, she's kind of the resource coordinator, and she's providing all those resources for anybody who needs them. So definitely stay tuned for that.